This video demonstrates the use of Google Labs browser size website. If I type in a domain name in this box, it'll overlay a chart over the web page. I'm going to pull in the width of the browser window so that it aligns with the chart. So the width matches end to end with the width of the browser viewport. The numbers on the top represent the width in pixels, and the numbers down the side represent the height in pixels. The percentages represent the percentage of visitors that can view that portion of the web page. So, for example, I can see that 70% of visitors can view a height of approximately 550 pixels without scrolling. One thing I can tell from this chart is that 90% of visitors can view the full width of the web page without scrolling horizontally. Horizontal scrolling is something to be avoided because it prevents people from seeing the full width of the screen and is uncomfortable way to view a web page. So 90% of viewers can see the full width of the page. Conversely, that means that 10% of visitors cannot and would need to scroll horizontally to see the page. And 10% is actually a fair amount if you consider the number of visitors that a site like this would have. There's a lot of visitors that would have a negative experience because of the size of the monitor that they're using. It's also important that most important information like navigation, contact buttons, donation buttons are within this top 70%, because you want most people to be able to see that information. So this chart is a helpful way to identify potential usability problems.